Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back to our channel, guys.
Welcome back.
Corey and Conchetta here from Sleepyhead Stories, and today we're doing a craft inspired by the book that we just read on our podcast, The Tale of Two Bad Mice by Beatrix Potter, of course. We are reading her entire series, The World of Peter Rabbit.
You know what that did? Those mice?
What did those, tell us about the book. Go ahead. What did they do?
Okay. They came into the dollhouse. They thought it was real and they were really hungry, so they went in the dollhouse and they saw a big food set on this table, and when they ate it and they tried to cut it was fake. And then they messed the place up because they got so mad and they were so hungry that they crushed the place up.
Yes.
They didn't care.
That's exactly what happened. The two mice named Tom Thumb and Hunka Munka trashed the dollhouse when they realized that the food was not real. But there were two rightful owners of that dollhouse, two dolls in the story. Do you remember their names?
No.
Lucinda and Jane.
Yay.
They were the rightful owners of that dollhouse, those two little dolls. And so in their honor, we decided to make some dolls ourselves. These dolls are made completely out of napkins. Napkin dolls. We were inspired by this website we'll show you right here. And here they are, guys. Ready? Grab yours.
Mine is Jane.
Ta-da! These are the napkin dolls. They have cute little arms out of toothpicks and feet out of toothpicks and yarn for hair. Hello. Are you Lucinda or Jane?
I'm Jane, so you're Lucinda.
Okay, I'm Lucinda. Guys, let us show you how to make these napkin dolls. They're so easy and they're made out of stuff that you have in your house.
Yeah.
Hey guys, here's what you'll need for this project. Napkins, of course. Cotton swabs or Q-tips. Yarn. 2 colors if you have it. Hair elastics or rubber bands, glue stick, markers, scissors, and lastly a book about medium size. Alright, here we go. We take our napkin, unfold it all the way, then you're going to fold the napkin in half. Long ways. Then start making tiny, about 1 inch to a ½ inch folds in the napkin all the way down until you get to the end. Okay, put that napkin aside. Now we're going to take our book and some yarn. We're going to take one end of the yarn and start winding it around the long edge of the book. Hold the end tight and just wrap around until you have a good amount of yarn on the book. Okay, now we're going to snip that yarn off and gently push that yarn off the edge of the book, and you should have a nice big loop of yarn. Then take the scissors again and snip it in half, giving you one long chunk of yarn. Okay, we're going to bring that napkin back and take our big chunk of yarn, and we're basically going to just tie once over, like you were to be tying a shoelace, just like that. Don't make it too tight, just a little bit snug. Okay, should look like this. And you're going to want to put the tails on either side and then bring the napkin ends together. You can start to see the doll starting to form now. There's her hair, her pigtails, and her body. Okay, now we're going to take that elastic band and we're going to make a knot a little bit underneath the yarn, shaping her head and neck. You're just going to tie it around like you would on a ponytail or something like that, so it's nice and snug. And then pull the napkin out a little bit so we can see her face better. After her neck is secured, you just want to take the ends of the napkin and fluff them out a bit so it looks like a dress. Then we're going to take our Q-tips. You need 4 altogether, our glue stick, and we're just going to rub a ton of glue on the end of that Q-tip. Then we're going to fold open the first flap and stick that Q-tip in just inside and underneath the elastic band. Fold it over, push down on the napkin, make sure it's secure. We'll do the same thing on the other side. And make sure to position the Q-tips so that they're sticking out a little bit, just like an arm would. There you go. Okay, now we're going to be doing the legs. Again, doing the same thing, putting a bunch of glue on the end of the Q-tip. This time we're going to be positioning them on the second flap of the napkin, somewhere in the middle, so that the ends of the Q-tip stick out a bit, because those are going to be her feet. All right, here comes the fun part. So Conchetta is going to start drawing the doll. She's going to give her 2 eyes, a nice big smile, and take a red or a pink marker and make some nice rosy cheeks. Now we get to decorate her dress. You can choose any colors you want. Conchetta's choosing yellow. You can make stripes, polka dots, flowers, anything you want. Be sure to color her feet for her shoes, and you can even color her arms if you wanted to give her sleeves. Here they are, Lucinda and Jane. We hope you guys enjoyed this craft. Please listen to Sleepyhead Stories anywhere podcasts are available, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.